Doohaa's down under holding apparatus, or their Doohaa, is a great way to store any gear in an out-of-the-way fashion. Whether it's stuff that's been in your floorboard for a while or on top of your seats, you can now move that under your seats using the Doohaa. And this is a great way to store anything from jumper cables to bait and tackle to long guns. And actually that's possible with the dividers they've included. You can see these notches that they've cut out. This is a soft foam material, so the finishes on those guns isn't going to wear and tear or anything like that. They're going to keep looking great. But this is really a good way to store up to 2 long guns in your vehicle in a safe and secure way. Now, installation on this is incredibly easy actually. In fact, it took us about 5 minutes to do ours, but application-specific installations make this vary from probably 5 or 10 minutes, again, depending on the application you have. These are colored to match your interior as well, so depending on the color you have, Doohaa will have an option to match your interior.